Hi everyone, my name is Amir and today I'm going to speak about the hypertext markup languages. Nowadays, the hypertext markup language is one of the fundamental requirements of every web browser. First, I'm going to go through a very small introduction and history of the HTML. HTML itself is a subclass of the Standardized Generalized Markup Languages, SGML. In early 1990, Tim Berners-Lee started his research on his www project, and just a few years later, the concept spread around the world. First official version of the HTML came out in November 1995, known as HTML 2.0. Since then, this version has been used by WW browsers commonly. Well, as you can see in this chart, in 1995, HTML 2.0 came out, and after that, in 2000, XHTML came in, which was a very big change to the HTML language. And nowadays, a lot of users are using the XHTML 2.0 and the future versions that came out recently. And this language is not really hard to master, and can be easily used to format the text, graphics, sound, and even video in different browsers. Well, we have many different browsers, as you know, like browsers like Internet Explorer, or browsers like Mozilla Firefox, or Opera, and all these different browsers that exist. The whole concept in here is to it's really easy to have a web page up and running in a few minutes, but we should consider the factors such as the type of the computer, the monitor, and the speed of the internet, and the type of the browser, which makes a page appearance absolutely different than the original. On the other hand, always remember that there are vast variety of users who will be accessing the web page all over the world, and the idea is to keep this web page pervasive. Thus, learning the language is only the first step toward the massive playground of the online web pages. We have to be familiar with a lot of other different softwares to modify the design of the web page, and there are so many other steps that you have to take. So you have to be familiar with XML, with CSS, and other softwares. To understand this language very perfectly, it's important to have a bit of understanding of HTML basics, such as design new structure, imaging, links, working with the files, and lists, tables, forms, multimedia, and have a JavaScript background. Moreover, understanding all different browser functionalities, and you having the basic knowledge on new applications like Web 2.0, which is very essential. In the next section, I would like to talk about the building a page in HTML. Well, you can use a different notepads or Word document to write HTML code. Simply, this is an example of HTML code. You will start with the HTML tag, and then you start with the body. In the body, you can write the code or tag you would require, and after that, you can write you upload the body tag and HTML tag. Well, let me show you exactly what I'm going to build a website. To build a website, I said you can use a text file, Microsoft document, or a text file, or any typing document. And after you open the text file, you can simply start. It's taking a while to open this text file. Yeah. Oh, only I can cover them. computer is low now. Yep. Here is the text that we put here. As you can see, I'm trying to show an image, a picture in this in my web page, and I will put the text file or my file. Actually, I will save it as the same folder that my image is here. Here is the image that I would like to upload, and I will just I'm gonna use here and try to put it as HTML, and we'll save it here. And as you can see, it's now this is the text file in HTML folder, and here it is, our text file, and here is the image. We don't need this text file anymore. This is only for typing it, so you can delete it anytime you want. Well, when you open it, you will see here is the website. Let me give you a full picture of the website. Yeah, here's the website you took, and easily you design the website in less than a minute with picture. So some people are facing problems with changing the file name. They can actually access the extension, the file extension. In order to do that, simply open my computer or any folder and go to the tools folder option in view section. Make sure that the show hidden files and folders is ticked, and this to tick has been taken off, and then you will have the extension files and you will see them. Well, thank you very much for watching this. In the next module I'm going to talk about what are the basic tags in the HTML, and we'll follow and we'll carry on to end of this lecture. Thank you very much.